Rangahaki Gorge is located at the base of the Coromandel Peninsula, about a 1.5 hour drive from Auckland. There are plenty of great walks in the area, but from my point of view, the Windows Walk is the very best. From here you get framed views into the mining sites and the sparkling river below. There are even some glowworms, so keep an eye out for them. You can observe the relics of the many processes that took place in extracting gold, from the tunnels where rock was extracted to the roasting pits where the rock was broken down and the huge Tempo battery processing plant. Another popular option is the historic walkway. It follows the historic Wairoa to Waihi railway. In the stunning natural gorge setting, many old mine buildings and machinery can be seen. Where the gorge opens up, you will find the huge Victoria Battery. It was erected in 1897 to crush quartz and was considered the largest and most advanced facility of its type in New Zealand. To continue the loop, you will get a chance to walk through the 1 kilometer long tunnel that was once used for mining processes. There are many more walking and mountain biking tracks, but if you are short in time, these are my recommendations. Stay tuned in for more great day trips from Auckland, and please subscribe to my channel.